Welcome to our quick tutorial on how to turn off Facebook notifications for posts you've commented on. If you're tired of getting constant alerts every time someone replies to a post you've interacted with, you're in the right place. Facebook's latest update has made it easier than ever to manage these notifications, so let's dive right in. First, open up Facebook on your PC and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a bell icon. That's your notifications icon. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you might think you'd start adjusting settings right away, but there's one more step. In the notifications panel that pops up, look for three little dots. They're usually in the top right corner of this panel. Click on those dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, choose Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can fine-tune all your Facebook notifications. Here's where the magic happens. Scroll down until you see a section labeled Tags. Under this section, you'll find an option that says Posts that you commented on before. This is the culprit behind all those notifications you've been getting. To turn off these notifications, simply click on the toggle switch next to this option. When it's switched off, Facebook will stop sending you alerts about new activity on posts you've commented on. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off notifications for posts you've commented on. Now you can engage with posts without worrying about a flood of follow-up notifications. Remember, you can always come back to the settings page if you want to turn these notifications back on or adjust any other notification preferences. Facebook is all about customization, so feel free to experiment with different settings until you find what works best for you. Thanks for watching and enjoy your less cluttered Facebook experience.